Good morning, Dalmia.
Dalmia.
I, Velani Pereira,
And I, Rima Lobo.
are your RJs for today. Hey, Rima, every child is a different kind of flower, and all together they make this world a beautiful garden.
I absolutely agree. Children are like budding stars. The more you embrace them, the more they shine. But why are we discussing about children?
Because children are the best creation of God. They spread joy in every season, and today we have all the reason to celebrate them. 14th November, a day every child eagerly waits for. You know what, Rima? As a child, I used to look forward to this day. My dress used to be ready, shoes decided. I also used to plan how I do my hair.
Same year, Velani. Even I remember preparing myself way in advance for this day. But the only difference is that you still look like a child.
That's not funny. Admit it, I still look younger than you. Also, Rima, our teachers used to plan a whole lot of activities for us, and that made us feel so valued.
But do you know how things are constrained nowadays due to this online teaching?
That's okay, Rima. Being the people that we are, we ensure there is zeal and fervor in everything that we do. Don't believe me? Experience it for yourself.
But before we begin, Velani, have you ever given it a thought? Why only the 14th of November?
We commemorate the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru as Children's Day. This day emphasizes on the importance of giving love, attention, and affection to children.
So, students, it gives us immense pleasure in presenting to you a wonderful cultural program to make your special day ever the more special. So, without any further ado, let the joy ride begin. It's said wisdom is a reward of experience, and the same should be shared.
I second that, Rima. So let us grab this opportunity and call upon the pillar of our institution, our very own principal and CEO, Dr. Seema Saini ma'am, to enlighten us with some words of wisdom.
A very happy Children's Day to you all. We're really missing the cheer in the school which you bring with you. That's one of the biggest drawbacks, I would say, of the pandemic. You were the life, the soul of the school. And I'm very happy that we have at least students from 8th to 10th here, 8th to 12th here. And when we see a little bit of movement of few children here, it exhales us absolutely. The kind of environment that gets created when we see the young boys and girls around the corridor, it really enhances the feel of the school. And this is what makes the world complete, I would say. Children, we wish you the very best. I know we call you children, but you're waiting to become adults. But even though you become adults, you and I have to remember, each one of us has to remember, that it is this childlike innocence, the child within all of us, that actually makes life worth living and that actually makes us appreciate the things that are there in this world around us. You have a huge responsibility. Children at time comes in a very weird category. We expect so much from you because you build yourself up. But you build yourself up so that you are able to build a great destiny, not just for yourself but for the country. And you prepare or make the future rather. So what you do today is actually setting the foundation of the country for what it will be. Huge responsibility on your little shoulders. But day in and day out, your interactions with your friends, your learnings amongst your friends, and also in the school, in the society, what the society becomes, all of it is done through you. And the responsibility that you have in this context, if you look at it, whether it's bringing about a positive environment related to climate, or a positive, because a lot of study on climate change and initiations that were taken up by children all over the world, and the work that children have done in the field of preserving the climate change, or in field of science also, in field of art. What children have done is incomparable. They can and they are doing so much. Malala Yousafzai, for example, what she did for women's empowerment and education for girl child when she was just 14, 15, and she could think so much. So basically, children, the word child or children can be very misleading at times. You are the spark. You are the people who also not just inspire everyone around you, but you don't know what you can ignite in the mind and bring about a change in the society. You make the society what it is going to be and what it is. So salutations, I would say. I salute all the children around and the child in each one of us. You make the teachers what they are, because you are receptive there in the class to take all that is happening, and you bring the level up of the class. There's so much that is within you, the potential that you have. I would urge you to tap that potential and give yourself.
We are so grateful to ma'am to take time out of a busy schedule to inspire the children with her ever enlightening words.
Rima, you know how fascinated I get when it comes to music?
Oh, yes, I remember. The truest expression of people is in music. So, Dalmians, let's sit back and enjoy this soulful performance.
मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया तू ही है मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ तू ही है मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया तू ही है मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ तू ही है रात दिन तेरे लिए सजदे करूँ दुआएं मांगूं हंसने के बहाने ज़रा उम्मीदों वाली तू सनशाइन वाली आशा रोने के बजाय कम हंसने के बहाने ज़रा दिल है मुस्कुराएंगे खुश रहने का है वादा उम्मीदों वाली तू सनशाइन वाली आशा उम्मीदों वाली तू सनशाइन वाली आशा जो छीने वही जीने 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 आज़ादियाँ आज़ादियाँ जो छीने वही जीने जीने जीने
It was wonderful to see so many of you enjoying the music, and it was a mesmerizing performance indeed. Up next, we have someone whose style is a reflection of her attitude and personality. And thus, I take the opportunity to call upon one of the strongest personality who heads our section, our very own Vice Principal, Annie Ma'am, to share her thoughts.
A very good morning to the principal and CEO, Dr. Seema ma'am, all teachers and students. Dear children, today is your day, a day dedicated to you. I am delighted to wish you all a very, very, very happy Children's Day. Children, you are special. You are wonderful. You're fantastic. You are unique. You are important. You are the most valuable resources. You have the power to make India the strongest nation. You are the building blocks of our country. My dream is to see your dream come true. In your shining faces, I see hope. In your brilliant work, I see a bright tomorrow. Make a mark in this world. Climb the ladder of success with utmost dignity. Develop a right attitude. Believe in yourself. Be confident of your efforts. Face the challenges of life with extreme boldness. An arrow can only be shot by pulling it backwards. When life is dragging you with difficulties, it means that it's going to launch you into something great. Be great somebody in future. Waiting eagerly to celebrate your success. Enjoy the day. Thank you. Thank you, children. Thank you, everyone.
And that was our beloved Annie ma'am, enriching us as always. Velini, you're here, right?
Yes, of course I'm here.
Okay, Velini, I became a teacher. I had an intention to make a difference in someone's life. And I believe all the teachers do it in some or the other way. So students, we may scold you, we may counsel you, we may even lecture you. But what we want you to do is to understand that we do it for the good of you.
And on this auspicious day, we have the teachers of grade 6 expressing their heart out to give you a little advice on some values of life.
Dear children, wherever you go, remember to always be in your natural element. To love is one of the greatest qualities. To lead a life, channelize peace and love. Always keep striving for success and excellence. That will lead you to a holistic development. Change is the only constant in life. So, dear children, always be ready to adapt on a better pace.
Life is about what you make it out of. So, for successful living, never stop learning.
The key to success is to do your job wholeheartedly. Thus, always focus on widening your background.
Follow thinking out of the box as your creative ideas in some way turn into great innovation. Wherever you go, whatever you do all of it ardently. Imbibing all these qualities will help you in becoming a better version of you and a true Darwin.
So those were some wonderful values for you.
कानों में रस घोलते हिंदी कविता गीत सुन रहे हो ना? कानों में रस घोलते हिंदी कविता गीत सरस प्यार के बोल से लेती सबको जीत. बाल दिवस के ये उपलक्ष्य पर अपनी कविता के माध्यम से अपने भावनाओं को प्रस्तुत करने आ रही हैं मिस पार्वती शर्मा.
सुप्रभात डॉक्टर सीमा मैम, एनी मैम, सविता मैम, समस्त शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. कितनी प्यारी दुनिया इनकी, कितनी मृदु मुस्कान है. बच्चों के मन में बसते हैं सदा भगवान है. बच्चे ही देश की सफलता और विकास की कुंजी है, क्योंकि आप ही देश के भावी नागरिक हैं. बाल दिवस से प्यारे बच्चों, तुम्हें बधाई मन से. भरकर रखना अपनी दुनिया, निश्चल अपनेपन से। सदा खिलो तुम पुष्पों जैसा, नभ जैसा यश फैले। पंथ कठिन है चलो संभल कर, भाव न हो बस मैले। अच्छा क्या है और बुरा क्या, इसका ज्ञान तुम्हें हो। अच्छे और बुरे स्पर्शों की पहचान तुम्हें हो। अबे तबे से प्यारे बच्चों बात नहीं तुम करना, मन के शब्द कोश में पावन शब्द हमेशा भरना। इंटरनेट और मोबाइल तक यह बचपन सिमट न जाए, खेले कूदे हर एक बच्चा सेहतमंद कहलाए। आभासी दुनिया है झूठी, असली दुनिया जानो। लंबी फ्रेंड लिस्ट से पहले अपना घर पहचानो। घंटों डिजिटल गेम न खेल, समय गंवाया जाए। घर का समय अगर घर को दो, घर खिल खिल मुस्काए। ध्यान न भटके रहे लक्ष्य पर, नित बढ़ते जाओगे। ऐसा करके जीवन में तुम कभी न पछताओगे। तुम पर है विश्वास हमें, दी गई सीख तुम मानोगे। बदले बदले युग में तुम अपना बचपन पहचानोगे, अपना बचपन पहचानोगे। डालमिया परिवार के सभी विद्यार्थियों को बाल दिवस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं और आशीर्वाद। धन्यवाद।
वाह पार्वती मिस, आपकी कविता ने तो महफिल में 4 चांद लगा दिए। ओ माय वेलिनी, don't we
Yes,
have
yes,
any
tell me.
don't we have any fun element involved?
Ah, now you're talking. Of course we do. Fun and spontaneity are the best adjectives that describe children. So let us now call upon Sulekha Miss with an exciting game for our dear children.
Yes, it's going to be fun now. Children, you need to identify 2 Bollywood celebrities in the given face mobs. Let's see the first face mob that appears on the screen. You have to raise your hand to answer the question. Now raising their hand. Priya Bhatia, would you like to answer? Priya Bhatia? Arush? Arush Chatterjee? Children, you can.
Aishwarya Rai and Abhishek Bachchan.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. Aishwarya Rai and Abhishek Bachchan. Very good. Next face mob that appears on the screen is of. Let's see who can give this answer. So many children have raised their hand. Sonit. Sonit, would you like to answer?
Miss, it is Kareena Kapoor.
One more celebrity, because 2 face mobs.
Miss and
are
Katrina Kaif.
Katrina Kaif. Okay, let's see what's the correct answer. It's Karishma Kapoor and Kareena Kapoor. Okay, let's go to the next face mob. Yes, I think it's pretty easy for you to guess. I would like now Vartika Agarwal to answer this question. Vartika Agarwal. Yes, Vartika.
Yes, Miss. Miss, it is Shah Rukh Khan and Hrithik Roshan.
Yes, well done. Good. Shah Rukh Khan and Hrithik Roshan. Okay, let's get a little nostalgic and walk down the memory lane. Let's see if you can recognize your friends from their childhood picture. The first picture that appears on your screen is only for grade 6 children. So only grade 6 children will be raising their hand to answer this question. Yes, pretty good number.
Miss Tisha, would you like to answer this question?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Who is this child? From the same grade? Mishti?
Yes, miss. I think it's Monal.
Yes, you're absolutely correct.
Thank you,
Mronal
miss.
Pancholi. Next picture that appears on your screen is only for grade 7 children. So only grade 7 children will be raising their hand to answer this question. Yes, children are raising their hand. Fine. Rajas Patki, would you like to answer this question? Rajas?
Yes, miss. So I think so. It's Sanchit Bhandari.
I think we should give one more chance to one other child. Vaishnavi, would you like to answer? Let's see who is correct. Vaishnavi?
This is Ranveer.
Ranveer. Okay, Ranveer Singh. Let's see whether the answer is correct or not. Yes, he is Ranveer Singh. Next picture that appears on the screen is only for grade 8 children. So only grade 8 children will be raising their hand to answer the question. And we have, yes, few children raising their hand. More children are raising now. Good. Arshpreet Kaur, would you like to answer? Arshpreet Kaur.
Yes, miss. I think she's Paridhi Agarwal.
Paridhi Agarwal. Let's see whether you're correct or not. Yes, you are absolutely correct. Well done. Next picture that appears on the screen is only for grade 9 children. Yes, quickly raise your hand, children. Grade 9, yes. Okay. I would like Manjeera Das to answer this question. Manjeera? Yes,
Miss Neel
Manjeera?
Chothani.
Let's see whether you're correct or not. I feel you are correct, but let's see. Yes, you are absolutely correct. Neel Chotani. Well done, children. Thank you.
So I hope all of you had a fun time participating in the games.
Up next, we have the teachers of grade 7 to recite an ode to the students. So brace your chairs and take in all the appreciation.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong.
You know what? One of the reasons I eagerly waited for Children's Day was to see our teachers perform.
Ah, yes, me too. So Dalmians, get ready to sway along as the teachers have put up a mind-blowing performance for you all.
जैसे आंखों की डिबिया में निंदिया और निंदिया में मीठा सा सपना और सपने में मिल जाए फरिश्ता सा कोई, जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी, जैसे तितलियां फूलों की क्यारी, जैसे बिना मतलब का प्यारा रिश्ता हो कोई। ये तो आशा की लहर है, ये तो उम्मीद की सहर है,
खुशियों की नहर है, खो न जाए ये। तारे जमीन पर देखो रातों के सीने पे ये तो झिलमिल किसी लौ से उगे हैं। ये तो अंबिया की खुशबू है, बागों से बह चले। जैसे कांच में चूड़ी के टुकड़े, जैसे खिले खिले फूलों के मुखड़े, जैसे बंसी कोई बजाए पेड़ों के तले। ये तो झोंके हैं पवन के, है ये घुंघरू जीवन के। ये तो सुर है चमन के, खो न जाए तारे जमीन पर।
Dear students, always believe in yourself.
You have the ability to do any kind of work, whether easy or tough.
So be confident and work hard to fulfill your dream.
Be a good human who helps everyone.
Be a good partner, a good friend, a good soul who is honest, trustworthy and responsible. Happiness will find you. Happy Children's Day.
You are the person who can change the world.
You have a big responsibility to make the world better.
I know you can do this very well. All the best, my dear student.
May the innocence in your smiles and the purity in your heart stay unfaded forever. Happy Children's Day to all of you.
आपल्या भारत देशाला जगाच्या सर्वोच्च स्थानावर नेऊ पाहणाऱ्या माझ्या सर्व बालमित्रांना बालदिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. Oh, such heartfelt and lovely messages by our dear teachers. I'm sure you guys must be looking forward to play another interesting game, aren't you?
Oh, yes, I'm sure they are. We now call upon Sandeep sir to take over for another exciting round of games.
Hello students, so are you ready to play some games? Come on, let's exercise a little bit. Okay, the name of the game is Collect to Connect. What I am going to do is, I am going to give you a letter and you have to collect as many things from your house within the stipulated time. 1 minute will be the time and collect as many things within 1 minute. So, my letter is T or teacher and your time starts now. Come on, collect as many things what you have in your home. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
So
T
we have
stands for, T stands for. Come on, come on, come on. Do a little bit of exercise. It is Sunday morning. I can see so many of them running from here and there and collecting the things. Remember, the thing should contain the word T before. It should start from the letter T. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 15 seconds. Yes, 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 yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Okay, so I want those students who have collected 10 or more than 10 articles. Let us see who have collected 10 or more than 10 articles. That student and you need to show me your articles on the screen. Yes, Ishan, Jane, show me your articles. T for Ishan. You should have 10 or more than 10 articles. And what are your articles?
Sir, it is toothpaste, toothbrush,
Very nice.
torch,
Okay. 3, 4.
and sir, this is tea leaf. Sir, only this one. I could.
Any more? Let me give one more chance. I can see. Okay, Vinayak Sharma. Show me your articles. Vinayak Sharma.
Yes, sir. Sir, teacup, teaspoon,
Okay.
toys,
Okay.
tape, then toffees,
Okay.
tools,
Show it on the screen. Show it on the screen.
Sir, can you see?
Yes. Okay.
Tomato ketchup.
Next.
Then the tea bag,
Okay. Good.
t-shirt,
Very nice.
towel.
Perfect. So you have got so many articles with you. Okay. So let us play one more game. Are you ready to play one more game? Say yes. We are ready to play one more game. Hello. So let us start with a music festival. What I am going to do is I am going to give you a word and you have to sing as many songs within 1 minute. All right. So my first word is Chand. You have to sing as many songs. Okay. I can see some raised hands. Okay. Kabir Sheikh. Sing as many songs from the word Chand.
Sir, चांद का छुपा बादल में. Then
Sing. You have to sing. You have to sing. You don't have to say me the word. You have to sing the song. Come on.
Yes, sir. चांद का छुपा बादल में.
Very nice.
Sir, I know this only.
Yes,
Sir,
yes,
next,
yes. Come on, come on.
बारिश जो करता हमारी के देता हूँ उनको सलाम. Sir, I know these two.
Give one more try. Come on, one more try. Okay, let me select Mahia. Mahia, the word is Chand.
Yes, sir.
Sing as many songs. Yes.
Sir, चांद सा रोशन
on camera.
चेहरा.
Continue.
चांद सा रोशन चेहरा. Then sir,
You have to sing and say. Okay, one more last chance to
वे
Anunay
सामने वाली
Tripathi.
खिड़की में.
Anunay,
Yes, sir.
song from the word Chand.
Sir, चांद छुपा बादल में.
You have to sing and say.
Sir, just a minute.
Come on.
चांद.
No cheating.
Sir, no idea then. My dad will said me.
All right. So now I will give you another word. Okay, ready for another word? Okay, my next word is colors. That is rang. Come on. You have to sing as many songs from the word rang. Okay, Vartika Agarwal.
Yes, sir. Sir, first song, the famous song for Holi. रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे. And second is मैं रंग शरबतों का तू मीठे घाट का पानी. And sir,
More. Come on.
Sir, thinking of more.
Yes. Come on. Think.
Sir,
Okay,
Moya
I'll give a chance.
all that thing.
Okay. Nirbhay Matharu.
सर रंग दे
The
तुम
word is rang.
मोहे गेरुआ
दिल से निकली है ये दुआ. That much only.
Okay. One more. Okay, one last chance to Palash. The word is rang. Palash? Not there. Okay, Merushi Jain. Merushi. The word is rang.
रंग भरे बादल से तेरे नैनों के काजल से.
Very nice. Come on. Next song. So many songs from the word rang. All right. One last clue. Okay. And the last clue is Tyohar, festival. You have to sing a song where festivals are indicated. Okay. Where the festivals are indicated. So you have to sing the song, and I can see certain hands which are raised. Okay. Dakshit Bartwal. You have to sing the song which indicates festival.
Yes, sir.
Which indicates festival. So sing a song where festivals are indicated.
Which festivals are indicated?
You can see the festivals in the songs. Come on, there are so many. Okay, Mehek Gwalani.
Yes, sir. Deepavali. Deepavali one. Deepavali.
Sing.
Suhani. Deepavali. And second is Rang barse bhige chunar wali. Rang
So everyone loves Holi so much.
Yes.
One more.
Holi.
Come on, one more. One more. There are so many festivals in
We
India.
wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
That's so nice of you. Thank you so much. So I hope you students have enjoyed, and wish you a very, very, very happy Children's Day. Keep smiling and God bless.
It was lovely to see so many of you participating so enthusiastically. Next, we'd like to call upon someone who efficiently coordinates the secondary section, our very own secondary supervisor, Savita ma'am, to share a few words.
Greetings to everyone. On this occasion of Bal Divas, I extend my wishes to you all. A happy Children's Day 2021. It is celebrated on the 14th day of November month in tribute to India's Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was born on this day in 1889 and fondly known as Chacha Nehru. In addition, let us celebrate this day with joy and fully appreciate the gift of childhood that has been given to us. However, let us also remember our responsibilities towards society and a better India. In this regard, I wish you to recollect the 5 traits of a student that will surely help you achieve success in your life. Dear children, I quote from a Sanskrit shloka, Tak cheshta bako dhyanam swananidra tathavacha swalpahari grahatyagi vidyarthi panchalakshanam. For the meaning of the shloka, children, I request you all to discuss with your parents and explore the correct meaning. I hope you all will do that. I conclude by conveying my warm wishes once again on this day, Children's Day. Let us celebrate the day with happiness and enjoy the gift of childhood. Since you are the future leaders of India, let us collaborate to perform our responsibilities of making a beautiful society, a better nation. Thank you, everyone.
And that was Savita ma'am, charming as always.
Every child is gifted. They unpack their packages at different times. Now we have our grade 9 teachers presenting child prodigies.
On the occasion of Children's Day, let us have a look at a few Indian child prodigies who have brought countless laurels to our country by making India proud on the global platform. The term prodigy applies to young persons who are extraordinarily talented in one field or the other. The term wonder child is also used as a synonym for child prodigies. I would like to begin with introducing Nihal Raj. Once, while his teacher taught him the rhyme, Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? 3-year-old Nihal asked his teacher, but teacher, what will they do of 3 bags full of wool? Wonder how many times in your life do you come across kids who ask questions like these? This extraordinary curiosity to know everything makes Nihal Raj one of the youngest chefs in the world. Fondly known as Little Chef Kicha, Nihal Raj is just an ordinary student with an extraordinary inborn skill and talent for cooking. Facebook gained non-exclusive rights to his signature Mickey Mouse mango ice cream, and he donated a part of his earnings from this to autistic children in Kerala. His big idea is to cook in space mission. He got a call from a very popular American television show, The Ellen DeGeneres Show. He taught Ellen to cook Kerala's popular breakfast puttu. He won the Global Child Prodigy Award in January 2020 and was among the top 100 prodigies of the year. Moving on to the next child prodigy, we have R. Pragananda. A couple in Paddy, a suburb in Chennai, Ramesh Babu and Naga Lakshmi had a challenge that perhaps every parent faces: how to drag the child's attention away from the television. One idea that appealed to Ramesh Babu, a chess fan, was to enroll Vaishali, his 7-year-old daughter, for chess classes. Vaishali loved it. She began to spend more and more time at home poring over the chessboard. Her little brother Pragananda was not even 4, but he was curious about what his sister was so immersed in. Pragananda won the World Youth Chess Championship Under-8 title in 2013, earning him the title of the FIDE Master at the age of 7. He won the Under-10 title in 2015 and 2016. Pragananda became the youngest international master in history at the age of 10 years, 10 months and 19 days. He achieved his first Grandmaster norm at the World Junior Chess Championship in November 2017, finishing 4th with 8 points.
Residing in India's northeastern state of Manipur, Lisipriya says she was a small child when she accompanied her father on fundraising events for victims of a powerful and deadly earthquake in Nepal in 2015. She is only 8, but Lisipriya Kangujam has been campaigning for action to tackle climate change in her native India for about 2 years. The young activist has pushed for new laws to curb India's high pollution levels and wants climate change lessons to be mandatory in schools. I cry when I see children lose their or become homeless due to the dangers of disasters, she told the BBC. But she adds, if you call me Greta of India, you are not covering my story. On 31st August 2019, Lisipriya received the prestigious World Children Peace Prize. She was also with the title Rising Star by the Earth Day Network and SDGs Ambassador Award 2019. Lisipriya was also bestowed with the Global Child Prodigy Award on 3rd January 2020 in New Delhi by Lieutenant Governor of Pondicherry, Kiran Bedi.
Arshdeep Singh.
Born in the year 2007, Arshdeep Singh is a well-known young wildlife photographer from Jalandhar, India. Arshdeep Singh has scripted history by receiving the most prestigious award called Young Wildlife Photographer of the Year, Asia. It was his candid snap of the two owls peeping out of a waste pipe that strung the title. He has won the Junior Asian Wildlife Photographer of the Year and the Young Comedy Wildlife of the Year award, both of which are some of the world's top wildlife awards. Several of his works have been published in Lonely Planet UK, Lonely Planet Germany, Lonely Planet India, BBC Wildlife UK, etc. He has been featured in renowned newspapers like Indian Express, India Today, and Times Now. Earlier in 2020, the Global Child Prodigy Award recognized Arshdeep's incomparable talent.
Those were some really inspiring prodigies. I think it's time to lighten the mood, isn't it? And to help us do so, we have Arshimis with another game.
Yeah, thank you. Hello, children. Now we have a very interesting mind game for all of you. We know you love to solve quizzes, crosswords, and therefore we have kept this game for all of you. Now, what you all have to do is, we would be showing you 4 images. And out of those 4 images, you just have to observe the image very carefully. And there is a question below every image. If you know the answer, you just have to raise your hand. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, the first question is, in what order will you see the colors from the top? And all those who know the answer can raise your hand. Oh, so many of you. Wow, that's great. Okay, so I give Aaron Boodle the chance. Yes, Aaron. Yes, Aaron?
Yes, miss. Miss, it will be the 4th option.
Correct. You're absolutely right. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Now we move on to the second question. And the second question is, which of the option is an odd one out of the 3 pictures? Oh, we have very intelligent students. Very good. So now I give Akshat Ranjan the chance. Akshat, you can answer. Akshat Ranjan. Child, you may go ahead and answer. Yes, child.
Miss, I think it is C.
Let's have a look at the answer. Correct. You were right. It was C. Very good. And now we go on. Yeah. Thank you, child. We go on to the third question. Now here you can see some figure. You just have to say that how many books are there on the shelf. Just figure out how many books are there on this shelf. And now I would like to ask Ridhiman. Yes.
Yes,
Ridhiman?
Miss, I think
Yes,
so.
child.
30.
30, I'm sorry, you're wrong. Better luck next time. Okay, so I give someone else a chance now. I would ask Saptrishi Datta. Yes, Saptrishi, would you like to answer?
Yes, ma'am. The
Yes,
answer is 10.
10? No. Okay, last chance.
Is that the second one? Is that the second one?
No.
Miss 9 then, 9.
Third one. Right, exactly 9. Very good. Yes, 9 is the correct answer. Very nice. Now we move on to the last picture, the fourth one. Can you figure out what the next number should be and why? Wow, so many of y'all. That's great. Okay, and I now ask Aruna Tripathi to answer the question.
Listen,
Aruna, are you
it
there?
should be 26.
I'm sorry, you're wrong.
2 plus 3.
Okay, no problem, child. Now we would be asking Vrinda Gupta. Yes, Vrinda. Vrinda Gupta. Vrinda, are you there? Okay, I'll ask someone else then. I'll be asking Yatharth Shukla. Yatharth Shukla, would you like to answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
23.
ma'am, my
Yes, right.
answer would be 7.
27. 23.
Someone is, I think, prompting from behind. Yes, that is the correct answer, what has been told to you. 23. 23 is the exact answer. Okay, thank you, children.
So as I see, most of you answered correctly. It means in Dalmia, we have such a strong cognitive side. Okay. With
Yes,
that,
exactly.
Thank you, Arshini. Yes, Arshini.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for such a refreshing round of games.
Thank
now
you,
tell
Rima.
me, thank you, Miss. Tell me who doesn't like appreciation? Don't answer that. It's rhetorical. So everybody enjoys appreciation in open or secretly deep down. And appreciation can make someone's day. To make your special day all the more special, let's welcome the teachers of grade 9. Let's hear what they want to tell us.
Thank you, students, for being polite, kind, respectful, and loving. God bless.
Dear children, you are all treasured, valued, loved, and cared.
Dearest children, we believe in your thoughts, ideas, morals, and vision.
Dear students, your curious mind ignites a spark.
My dear students, you bring magic in our lives with your enthusiasm, your innocence, your exuberance, and your cheerfulness. May God bless you all.
Hello, my dear students. Life is a math equation. In order to gain the most, you should know how to convert negatives into positives. Thank you.
मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, ईमानदारी, अनुशासन, शिष्टाचार यही जीवन के आपके मुख्य आधार हों। आप अपने कर्तव्य पर हमेशा आगे बढ़ते जाएं, यही मेरी कामना है। बाल दिवस की शुभकामनाएं।
Dear students, on this Children's Day, I wish you good health, happiness, success, and all the luck that God can provide you. Be respectful to everything around you. Be happy, and God bless you.
Good afternoon, dear students. On this special day, we'd like to tell you how much we love you and how important you are to us. This is a wonderful phase, and before you know it, it's gonna go. So make the most out of it, enjoy your day, have lots of fun. Happy Children's Day.
Yes, indeed. As rightly said, this phase will never come back. So students, cherish these moments. Always keep the child in you alive. There are some things that we can't buy. And one such thing is your childhood days, and you will only realize this when you grow old.
Rima, don't you think this celebration is incomplete without a dance session?
Then what are we waiting for? Garima Miss, please take over. Can we have some music?
Yes, Miss. Thank you. All right. Are we all excited for a super packed, energetic dance performance or a dance session? All right. So let's play some music. I would just request everybody to get up and join in with me. All the teachers, Annie ma'am, Preeti ma'am, please join in. Everybody get up, ready. Very nice. All right, a little surprise for you all. We are going to learn few steps, okay? And then we are going to join in. All the teachers, please join in. Annie ma'am, Preeti ma'am is with us. And let's start quickly. All right, so I'll tell you a few steps, okay? So we are going to do it, a little few steps. In the beginning, you just give the beat. All right, give the beat with the go with the music. Okay, and then hands on everybody. I'm just giving you the starting part. I know you all are brilliant dancers. You will take over, but still. Okay, so we'll go with 1, 2, 3, 4. Rima Miss, I want you to get up from that chair and you need to dance. Pranal Miss, everybody. Valsa Miss, you need to join. All right, Preeti ma'am is with us. Okay, so let's begin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, put your hands out. Let's do some bhangra a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then very simple steps I'm telling you all. Open up your hands, groove a little bit, and move your other finger is the next step. Okay, so let's combine it. So what is the first step? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Hands out. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then open up your hands twice. And then we are going round and round. All right, let's do this on the music. Everybody ready? Let's begin. So let's have some music. Yeah. Okay, everybody, join it.
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पाले चलेगा रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई
हेलो हेलो तू मच है तुमने लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई ये दिल छन छन बोले अमृतसरी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी कर ले गल्ला बूढ़ियां
Let's have your favorite one. Everybody, let's join it. Very good. Full of energy, everybody. Very nice.
ਯਾਦ ਚ ਤੇਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਗਾ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਰੇ ਗਿਣ ਗਿਣ ਯਾਦ ਚ ਤੇਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਗਾ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਓ ਹੋ 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 ਇਸ਼ਕ ਤੇਰਾ ਤੜਪਾਵੇ
That was amazing. Seriously amazing. Thank you, children. Happy Children's Day to all. Joy, have a blast. Over to you, Rima Miss and Vince.
It was wonderful to see so many of you perform so very well and show some of your amazing moves. As we have arrived to the end of this beautiful celebration, allow me to conclude with the following quote. Climb every mountain, ford every stream, follow every rainbow till you find your dream. With that, this is me, Velani.
And Rima, signing off.
Signing off.
Thank you, teachers, for putting up such a wonderful show for our children. We value your efforts. And thank you, children, for being a part of this show. We appreciate you. We treasure your cheerful presence. Thank you. Enjoy the day. Wish you a very, very, very happy Children's Day. Thank you, all of you.